we'll guide you through how to make grid pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. After the workspace appears, move to the top menu and click File to access the main options. From the drop-down menu, choose New so you can open the preset size selection window. Select the preset size that best matches your project, then click Create to open a fresh canvas for your design. In this tutorial, you will work with a rectangle shape as the main element for the pattern. Go to the toolbar and pick the rectangle tool before moving your cursor onto the artboard. Click and drag on the artboard to draw a rectangle in any starting size. Once the shape appears, adjust the stroke thickness and resize the rectangle until it looks balanced for your design. If needed, create another rectangle with the same size and apply a different color so the pattern becomes more visually interesting. Arrange the base rectangles side by side. Then select every object you created and group them together to keep the layout organized. Next, open the alignment panel and position the grouped objects perfectly at the center of the artboard. After the objects are centered, go to the menu bar and click Object to open additional editing options. Choose Pattern from the drop-down menu, then select Make to create a custom pattern. When the Pattern Options panel appears, select Grid as the arrangement style for the pattern layout. Adjust the spacing, position, and scale of the pattern until the appearance matches your personal preference. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Done to save the pattern settings. Now draw another rectangle that completely covers the entire artboard area. Open the Swatches panel and apply the newly created pattern to the large rectangle. Your custom grid pattern is now finished and ready to use in future Illustrator projects. Before exporting your work, take a moment to review the pattern for spacing, alignment, or colors that appear strong against the background. You can return to the pattern settings at any time and make adjustments until everything looks consistent.